Okay, I'm at my neighbor's house, the neighbor's upstairs, and I'm gonna do her hair. So this is her hair color now, and I'm gonna do a purple gradation on the ends, and she says it's okay to film it. This is my friend Manu, she's my neighbor. Hi! So I'm gonna do her hair. She has really beautiful, soft, healthy hair. She's young, but we're gonna put bleach in it. So, but we're gonna do a gradation effect. And so I'm gonna do that for her, and we'll see how it looks after. Okay, so this is a bleach cream by NV Technic. I guess it's an Italian brand. It's a low ammonia cream bleach. And I put half of that and half of this 30% volume oxidizing emulsion. So this is the peroxide basically. So you mix that together until it's a consistency like this. And now I'm gonna put it at the ends of Manu's hair. Oh, we just put the camera in the window thing so that we can see. Okay. So I show you what I did. I divided her hair like this, so it's half of the hair, and I'm gonna do the bottom part, this part of her hair, and I'm gonna do it with a gradation effect. Okay. Okay, so now a lot of the bottom part has gone blonde, and I'm now putting more, I'm going higher with the bleach now, so that it takes some from the top now. And I think this is about how high that she wants it to be. So now I'm going higher with the bleach. And just a few minutes on here on the higher part, so that the bottom part will be bleached, will be even whiter than this part here that I'm doing. And I'm not a professional, I'm just a normal person who does her hair herself.
Oh!
Okay, we did the bleach part, so you can see how it turned out. There's more light on this side. So it's lighter at the ends, and then it goes darker. I didn't completely dry the head part. So now I'm just going to put the color in and wrap it up, and she's going to have to wait. The longer you wait, the better, because we're using crazy color. No, this is actually not crazy color. I either use crazy color, this one I think is Stargazer, the company. Anyways, it's a permanent hair color rinse, semi-permanent hair color rinse that I got in a shop in Italy. And I'm just going to put that in starting from here going down, and she's going to leave that in as long as she can. Wrap it up, leave it in as long as you can, like 3 hours if possible, 2 hours, but at least more than half an hour. And then she's going to wash that out, and she's going to take care of it. In the future, it's better if you wash only with cold water so that the color stays in longer, because every time you wash your hair, the color goes out. Okay, so I just put the purple in, and I rubbed it in well, and she's going to stay like that as long as she can, and then she's going to wash her hair, and then I'll see her tomorrow. Vediamo domani, no? Com'è? Bene! Yay! This is the result. So, you know that we just did the bottom part, so we did it like that part, from here down, but on the bottom half, and then she puts her normal hair over it, and then it looks quite cool like that. So, you're happy? Yay!